almost over, and you're thinking about everything that happened. Last year, this year, all the moments.
And now the new year is coming, and maybe you feel excited, or maybe you feel tired, or maybe you feel both.
You see everyone talking about New Year's resolutions, big goals, big changes, and maybe you think, I don't know if I'm ready for that.
And that's completely okay, because the new year doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be big. It can just be a new beginning.
Today, we're going to talk about the new year, your feelings, your thoughts, and simple ways to express them in English.
No pressure, no big words. Just you, your feelings, and simple English.
Hello, and welcome to Life English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. Thank you so much for being here.
Life English is a place where you can practice real English. English for real conversations, real feelings, real life.
We speak slowly, we speak clearly, and we repeat things many times so you can understand, so you can practice.
This is not a lesson. You don't need to study, you don't need to remember everything. Just listen, just relax.
And you don't need to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. We just want you to feel comfortable.
So take a deep breath, be kind to yourself, and let's talk about the new year.
So, Daniel, the new year is coming soon. How do you feel about it?
That's a good question. I feel a mix of things. I feel a little tired, but I also feel hopeful.
Tired and hopeful. I understand that. I think many people feel that way.
Yes, I feel tired because last year was long. There were good moments, there were difficult moments, and now I'm just tired.
I feel tired. This is a very honest feeling, and it's okay to say it.
Yes, I feel tired. You don't need to pretend. You don't need to say you're excited if you're not.
Exactly. I feel tired. I feel exhausted. These are real feelings, and they're normal.
But I also feel hopeful. Hopeful means I have hope. I believe good things can happen.
I feel hopeful. That's a beautiful phrase. I feel hopeful about this year, about the future.
Yes, I feel hopeful. Even when I'm tired, I can still feel hope.
That's very true. You can feel both, tired and hopeful, nervous and excited.
Nervous. Yes, that's another feeling. I'm nervous about the new year.
Tell me more. Why do you feel nervous?
I feel nervous because I don't know what will happen. The new year is unknown. It's new, and that can feel scary.
I feel nervous. This is very common. Many people feel nervous about new beginnings.
Yes, new beginnings. The new year is a new beginning, a fresh start.
New beginnings. That's a good phrase. The new year brings new beginnings, new opportunities, new moments.
But new beginnings can feel big. They can feel overwhelming.
Yes, that's true. But here's what I want to say. New beginnings don't need to be big.
What do you mean?
I mean, you don't need big goals. You don't need big changes. You can take it slow.
Take it slow. That's important. Take it slow means go at your own pace. Don't rush.
Exactly. Take it slow, one day at a time, one step at a time.
I like that. Take it slow. No pressure, no rush.
And you can have small goals, not big goals, small goals.
Small goals. Can you give me an example?
Sure, a small goal could be read one book this year, or go for a walk once a week, or call a friend once a month.
Those are small goals, but they're meaningful. They matter.
Yes, small goals. They don't need to be impressive, they just need to be yours.
I love that. Small goals. Take it slow. These are good reminders for the new year.
So, Daniel, What about last year? How do you feel about last year?
Last year. Last year was a mix. Some good things happened, some hard things happened.
That's very honest. Last year is finished now. We can reflect on it. We can think about it.
Yes, reflect. That means think about, look back, remember.
Last year taught me a lot. It wasn't perfect, but it was mine.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. Last year was yours. This year will be yours too.
Exactly. And what about this year, Daniel? This year, the new one. What are you thinking?
This year, I'm trying not to put too much pressure on myself. I want to be kind to myself.
Be kind to yourself. That's so important, especially at the new year.
Yes, because the new year can feel like you need to change everything, be better, do more.
But you don't. You can just be. You can just continue. You can take it slow.
Take it slow, small goals, be kind to yourself. These are good ideas for this year.
And what about excitement? Do you feel excited about the new year?
A little bit. I'm excited about small things, maybe trying something new, maybe spending time with people I love.
I'm excited. That's a positive feeling. I'm excited about the new year, about the possibilities.
Yes, I'm excited, even if it's just a little bit, even if I'm also tired.
You can be both. I'm excited and I'm tired. Both feelings can exist together.
That's true. You don't need to choose one feeling. You can feel many things at once.
So let's review, because we've talked about a lot of feelings today.
Yes, let's go slowly. First, I feel tired. That's okay. Many people feel tired.
I feel hopeful. That means I have hope. I believe good things can happen.
I feel nervous. That means I'm a little worried, a little unsure, and that's normal.
I'm excited. That means I'm looking forward to something. I feel positive.
New beginnings. The new year is a new beginning, a fresh start.
Take it slow. Don't rush. Go at your own pace.
Small goals. You don't need big goals. Small goals are enough.
Last year, the year that just finished, we can reflect on it, think about it.
This year, the new year, the one that's coming, we can think about it gently.
These are all simple phrases, but they're powerful. They help you express your feelings.
And feelings are important. Your feelings matter, even if they're complicated.
Now, let's practice. I'm going to give you some simple ways to talk about the new year. Listen carefully. You can repeat them out loud if you want.
Yes. Pause the video, listen again, repeat. This is your practice.
Okay, here are some examples. Example 1. I feel hopeful about the new year. I'm ready for new beginnings. Example 2. I'm a little tired, but I'm also excited. I want to take it slow this year. Example 3. Last year was difficult, but this year I feel hopeful. Example 4. I'm nervous about the new year, but I have small goals. I'm taking it one day at a time. Example 5. I feel grateful for last year, and I'm ready for this year. New beginnings feel good.
Perfect. Those are all natural ways to talk about the new year.
You start with your feeling, I feel, I'm, and then you add a little more.
Yes, you don't need long, complicated sentences, just simple, honest words.
Now, let's listen to a short conversation. Two people talking about the new year. Listen carefully.
Hey, Sarah, how are you feeling about the new year?
Honestly, I feel a little tired, but I also feel hopeful. What about you?
I feel the same. I'm nervous, but I'm also excited.
Nervous about what?
Just the unknown, you know? but I'm trying to take it slow. Small goals this year.
That's a good idea. Small goals, no pressure.
Exactly. What about you? Any goals?
Just one. Be kind to myself. That's my goal.
I love that. That's perfect.
Good. That was a simple, honest conversation. Two people sharing their feelings.
Did you notice? They didn't pretend to be super excited. They were honest, real.
Yes, and that's what makes it a good conversation. Honesty, simplicity.
Now, you can do the same. You can share your feelings about the new year.
Before we continue, we want to say something quickly.
If this video is helping you, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And if you want more calm, simple English practice, subscribe to Life English. We make new videos every week.
And if you know someone learning English, share this video with them. Let's learn together.
Thank you so much. Now, let's keep going.
Let's review the key phrases one more time. Listen carefully. Repeat if you want.
New year,
New year, the year that's coming, the fresh start.
last year,
Last year, the year that just finished. We can reflect on it.
this year.
This year, the new one, the one that's starting.
I feel.
I feel. This is how you start talking about your feelings. I feel tired. I feel hopeful.
I'm excited.
I'm excited. I'm looking forward to something. I feel positive.
I'm tired.
I'm tired. I need rest. I feel exhausted. And that's okay.
I feel hopeful.
I feel hopeful. I have hope. I believe good things can happen.
I feel nervous.
I feel nervous. I'm a little worried, a little uncertain, and that's normal.
Small goals.
Small goals, not big goals, just small, meaningful goals.
New beginnings.
New beginnings, fresh starts, new opportunities.
Take it slow.
Take it slow. Go at your own pace. Don't rush. Be gentle with yourself.
Excellent. These are your phrases. Use them. Practice them.
And remember, your feelings are valid. Whatever you feel about the new year, it's okay.
You don't need to be super excited. You don't need to have big goals. You can just be you.
Now, we have a question for you. This is practice.
We want you to write one sentence in the comments, just one, in English.
Tell us, how do you feel about the new year?
You can use the phrases we practiced today. Keep it simple, keep it honest.
For example, you could write, I feel hopeful about the new year.
Or, I'm tired but excited.
Or, I'm nervous about new beginnings.
Or even, I'm taking it slow this year.
Any answer is perfect. This is just practice. There's no right or wrong.
So pause the video if you want. Think about your feelings. Write one sentence. Then come back.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
So please share with us. How do you feel about the new year?
We're almost finished. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
You did a wonderful job. You listened, you practiced, and that's amazing.
Now you have the words to talk about the new year, your feelings, your thoughts, your hopes.
I feel tired, I feel hopeful, I'm excited, I'm nervous, new beginnings, take it slow, small goals.
These phrases are yours now. Use them, share them, speak them.
And remember, the new year doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't need to be big.
It can just be a new beginning, a fresh start, one day at a time.
Be kind to yourself. Take it slow. You're doing great.
We believe in you, and we're proud of you.
We'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.